What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Bubba's Smoking Hog Barbecue. This is Bubba speaking. Thank you for tuning in for another episode. And what we got today is some of my favorite tailgate recipes. The next couple videos I'm going to be posting. So for today's recipe, I'm going to be doing some smoked and grilled beer brats on the Weber Kettle. Again, doing this tailgate recipe because if things were going, normal operations as is, we'd be having baseball season kicking off, we'd be having NASCAR going full-fledged, and then also spring games for college football. So I hope you enjoy smoked and grilled beer brats. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So again, we're going on the Weber Kettle for this cook today, and I'm going to get a chimney probably about halfway to 3/4 full of some Royal Oak all-natural briquettes. I'll pour this into my chimney. What I'm going to be using today is just a little tumbleweed starter. So I'm going to put this on the grate and get it fired up. So we'll let our coals get nice and hot, and I'll show you what we do with our ingredients for today. So stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. As you can see here, our coals are nice and hot. They're flaming. So we're going to pour these into our grill. We're going to try to maintain it between 350 to 450, somewhere in that range. So this is our ingredients for today, everyone. What I've got here is the main ingredient. Got some Johnsonville Beer Brats, picked up at my local store. So we're going to put our brats in this pan over here. Just lay these down inside the pan. No particular way you got to do it, just put them in the pan. All right. Along with these brats, what I've got is 2.5 yellow onions. Chop these up by 1/4 inch slices. So we'll dump this in all throughout our brats. See there. And what I've got here is 1 red bell pepper and then 2 jalapenos sliced up. So we'll dump these in. Get those mixed in with the brats. And then for the beer. So, got 2 bottles, Coors Light, or if you don't like Coors Light, you just use your favorite beer. And so just pour this into our pan. This is what these brats, onions, and peppers are gonna steam in and act like a big hot tub for them. So we'll pour these in here. We'll let these brats cook over the hot coals. Let the beer come up to a nice kind of steady boil, nothing too crazy. Cook them in there for a little while, and then I'm going to sear them off on the hot side. Almost forgot to mention the smoke portion of these brats. A little bit different than your typical Wisconsin style brats or just beer brats in general. Got a few chunks of some hickory wood I'm gonna throw on the coals. Let's get our grate moved around, like so. We're gonna lift our hinge up, just toss in our wood chunks. Now we're going to put on our container of brats onions and peppers. We'll put them about right here in the middle portion of the grill. Let them come up to a little steady boil. We'll come back and check on here in a little bit. It's been about 30 minutes. Our brat's been soaking in the beer bath, so let's take a look at it. We got a good steady boil rolling on these brats. What I'm going to do now is move our pan over, and I'm going to sear the brats on both sides, probably about 2 to 3 minutes per side. And then once they get seared off, we'll put them back in the bath, let some of the seared juices get into the mixture there, and then we'll start plate up these brats. Brats out now. We're going to sear it off like so. Grab this other one here. We're only going to do about, once again, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. And once these get seared, like I said, we're going to put them back in this beer bath. Alright y'all, so we just pulled these brats off the grill, and they look awesome. And so, kind of recap what we did. Used a Weber Kettle today, and got my chimney about 3/4 of the way full, some royal oak, all natural briquettes, fired that up, put it to one side of the grill, and then in the pan I mixed a little bit of, some yellow onions, 2.5 yellow onions, 1 red bell pepper, and then 2 jalapenos. And then in that we put the Johnsonville Beer Brats, and then poured 2 Coors Light into the mix. They cooked into the pan for about 30 minutes, and then we seared the brats off on both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. But this is awesome. Can't think any more of this. Ready to dig into one of these things. So got a nice soft sausage brat style roll. So we'll open that up like so. Get us a good brat here. We'll put in here. Fits nice and perfectly. And then we'll go with some of these onions and peppers. Put them right on top. Got some jalapenos there. I like a lot of onions on mine. Put a little red in there for a little extra color. And then next thing I'll probably do is just go on with a little bit of stone ground mustard. Oozing out on me. It's a little bit of stone ground mustard. Let's try this bad boy. Really good. Forgot to mention, I added a little bit of hickory smoke to these brats too. It tastes a little bit of hickory smoke. But this is awesome, y'all. Good tailgating food. And this is one of my favorite recipes for tailgate. Good stuff. So thanks for tuning in this week. Sorry for the sun. It's kind of setting off to the west here. But if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see some future videos. Once again, thank you for tuning in, and I hope everyone stays safe and stays healthy. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your weekend. See ya.